So I guess it's kitty approved. And what I'm going to do today is, there's one problem that I have using this camp cot. My pillows always end up on the ground. There's no headboard, nothing to hold your pillow on. So if you're moving around and such, and a lot of times I'll put my camp cot right on the ground and throw a tarp over me. Well, the ground could be damp or whatever, and your pillow ends up on the ground. So what I wanted to do is put an envelope, I'm going to sew on an envelope onto this camp cot that I can just shove my pillow into. That there is going to stop it from ending up on the ground. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm not going to take the time or whatever and let you watch me hand sew this on here. But what I'm going to do is just these ends. I'm going to attach it here and here. That way there I can put a sleep pad still in underneath here some, and also this here will just float and such, but it cannot push off, because that allows, if I sew it right tight, then I won't be able to put as big of a pillow in. But if I just attach 2 points right here, it's going to still stop it from going off. And that's what I'm going to do right now, and then I'll show you the finished result. So as you've seen, I just have this tacked on in 2 places. My sleeping bag's going to be up over my pillow, so I shouldn't have to wash this. But if that's something that you want to be able to do, if you actually put a Velcro strip, about 4 inches of Velcro on the back of this fabric, and sewn into your camp cot. Now you got to remember too, the more holes you put in a camp cot, it may hurt the structure of the material. So I put very few holes, and I just want it to stay on here just so my pillow won't fall off. Now I've got my pillow in here, just slid it in, but I wanted it like this, and the reason why is I just put it on the 2 ends, because now I can take my sleep pad and I can slide it in underneath a little bit. But being able to Velcro this on here and take it off when you want to wash it is another option. So this here should work for me, and I just wanted to do a quick video of showing you this upgrade to my camp cot, because I've lost my pillows a few times and it's always a pain. This here is going to help for sure. And it's as simple as taking your pillow, sliding it in, you're good to go. Now I'm going to lay down and let's give it a test. Now I can move around. If I bump that, it's not going anywhere. And yeah, that's gonna work. I'm going camping tomorrow night. This is a quick fix, and just wanted to share it with you. Thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.